Guys, what's up? This is Ansal Shah and I am back with another video, and in this video I am going to talk about the most mysterious thing in the universe, and that are black holes. Well, I know this is a bit off track video for my channel, but hey, I'm not only here for tech videos. I will provide information for everything that is interesting and that might increase your knowledge a bit. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Now, talking about black holes, they are one of the objects in the space that are least understood by scientists around the world, and they are trying to understand why does such a thing even exist. Firstly, let's talk about how they are formed. Well, we all know stars, right? They are the brightest objects in the night sky. Well, interestingly enough, the stars like our sun turn all the hydrogen in it to helium via nuclear fusion. This process converts mass into energy. Now, speaking about bigger stars, remember, when I say big, I mean huge stars that are thousands of times bigger than our sun also carry out nuclear fusion, but as they are huge, they have the capacity to turn hydrogen to helium and then further converting helium into heavier elements like metals. These elements start gathering in the core of the star, and when the star is about to complete all its fuel, it starts swelling up and then bursts into no existence, radiating out every joule of its energy in the vast universe. Now, if the star, to be precise, is 200 times the mass of our sun, then it has lots of denser elements in its core that are capable enough of creating a gravitational pull that is enough to keep the star from swelling up in the end of its cycle. So what basically I mean is this happens. The mass of the entire star gets packed into a very tiny space, and the density of this area is so high that the gravity over here is considered to be infinite. This is what we call a black hole. Black hole's gravitational pull is so strong that even the massless photon particles of light are bent while they pass through its vicinity. That is something incredible, guys. Now, why do scientists even think that this object is mysterious? Firstly, there is no evidence that where the things go inside the black hole after being swallowed up. Actually, to be clear, don't worry, I won't go too deep. According to quantum mechanics, information can never be destroyed, meaning that if I write something on a paper and then burn it, and if I am able to gather all the particles from its ash and then arrange them in the exact order they were before, I will get my paper back and even the thing that I wrote on it. So this is what is called the conservation of information. It cannot be destroyed, it could only be transformed into another form, just like energy. So what's mysterious about black holes is that whatever goes inside cannot be retrieved. Well, at least till now, and we humans, even though we don't know what's inside a black hole, consider that things go towards the center of the black hole and are ripped into fundamental particles in the area called as the singularity point. That's creepy enough. And this violates the law of quantum mechanics, that information is conserved. Since we cannot get it out, it is unretrievable, and in other terms it means it is gone forever. So this can lead to a huge argument about the laws on which scientists listed out formulas and inventions, since many discoveries are made keeping in mind the laws of quantum mechanics. So it even questions our knowledge and existence indirectly, and that's a huge fear for scientists. Late scientist Stephen Hawking tried to give an explanation to this in the form of Hawking radiation, meaning that the black hole loses its some mass in an extremely slow process through radiation, and this gives the swallowed information back to the universe, supporting the law of quantum mechanics. But still, this theory is not yet proved on any basis, and hence it still remains a mystery. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe and share this video as much as possible. It is very much appreciated. Even follow me on Twitter. The links will be down in the description. And lastly, can you solve this mystery?